Business owners, planning to form your LLC in 2026? Before you click that submit button on that LegalZoom app, we need to talk. You know what time it is. It's time for the Friday Legal Fix. Here's the deal. Forming an LLC isn't just about filing paperwork. It's about making smart, strategic decisions that set you up for success. Let me walk you through what you actually need. First, choose your state carefully. Most people form in the state where they do business. That may be the right move, but some folks choose Delaware or Wyoming for tax benefits or anonymity. Do you want your personal address or other information out there in the public record? This decision matters. Get it wrong, and you're paying fees in multiple states and getting spammed at your home. Second, your LLC name has to be unique and available. You can't just pick any name. And grab that domain name while you're at it. Here's a hot tip: do the search in incognito mode. Once those algorithms on the web hosting sites realize what you're up to, suddenly the price goes up. Third, file your articles of organization with your state. This is the official document that creates your LLC. Each state has different requirements and fees ranging from $50 to $500. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. Say that fast 3 times. Think of it like a social security number for your business. You need this to open bank accounts, hire employees, and file taxes. And it's free. Don't pay this, okay? Fifth, create that operating agreement we just talked about a couple episodes ago. Even if your state doesn't require it, you need it. Real talk. Forming your LLC right the first time saves you money from costly fixes later. Want more tips about how to keep you and your business out of hot water? Head over to topemployermistakes.com and remember to like, follow, and subscribe. Got questions about forming your LLC? Comment below. This is Aisha from Sedgwick Andrews, your small business legal guide. I'll see you next week.